Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out this premium tempered glass screen protector designed for Samsung Galaxy A16, A17, and A26. If you own any of these phones, this is exactly what you need to keep your display safe. Let me show you why this protective glass is a game changer. First off, the installation is incredibly easy. The glass comes with an alignment frame that ensures perfect placement every single time. No bubbles, no hassle. Once it's on, you'll barely notice it's there because the clarity is absolutely crystal clear. Your screen's vibrant colors and brightness remain completely unaffected. The durability is seriously impressive. This tempered glass is scratch resistant and can handle accidental drops and impacts that would normally destroy your phone's display. It features advanced anti-fingerprint coating, so smudges wipe away instantly. The edges are precisely cut to fit your phone perfectly while leaving room for most phone cases. At this price point, you're getting professional grade protection that's typically found on much more expensive products. The 9H hardness rating means it's harder than most keys and coins. Installation takes literally 2 minutes, and the included cleaning kit ensures a perfect finish. If you're tired of worrying about screen damage, this is the affordable solution you've been looking for. Definitely grab one today and protect your investment.
Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be.